Smiling to another tasteless day. The lucky gets to choose his shade of grey. Summer never sets foot in this town. Who clamps his claws on you and drags you down. And I know life with me is not always light. Been drinking, screwing, itching for a fight. Your mama warned you against the guys like me. She married one of them almost free. You can't tell her, you can't tell her, you can't tell her, you can't tell her. Forever now you stay for me, forever now you stay for you, girl. Forever now you stay for me, I stay 100 years. And every time you cry for me, for every time you cry for me, girl, for every time you cry for me, I cry 1,000 tears. The morning you felt away and left behind a letter with your name. And it's the day things went straight down the drain. We were just kids that suddenly away. And I wonder soul is colder down the south. But I'm willing to come rescue her from hell. And even if your words make her bleed, I'm always here for you in times of need. And you can't tell me, oh you can't tell me, girl. You can't tell me, oh you can't tell me, oh. Forever now you stay for me, forever now you stay for you, girl. Forever now you stay for me, I stay 100 years. For every time you cry for me, for every time you cry for me, girl. For every time you cry for me, I cry 1,000 tears. No, I never loved another. Nobody ever meant a thing to me. These people for me are just clutter. There's not another place I'd rather be. 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 And I'm not gonna lie, I have dreamed of this for a long time. Held my breath for a while. Can feel the rooms on fire. When we kiss the woods, they are steaming and we burn like a fire. Do we have to lose, or do you have to go? Free I saw your set of eyes moving really slow. I took some time to play out my cards, trying to lower down your guard. But do you have to lose? Or do you have to go home? Throw away the shoes and go on with the flow. What do you have to lose? The world can just go on without you for a while. 'Cause of you, these lips were made for you.
This is nice. May nagpanagat sila oh.
We just follow the rhythm, sat right position, post the word for a minute, to our population. And we just follow the rhythm, and sat right position, post the word for a minute. And you, there's lips that made for you. How about you have to lose? What you have to lose? Just right in position, inside, right in position, inside, right in position. And we are in collision. We just follow the rhythm. Inside, right in position, inside, right in position. And two hearts in collision. And we just follow the rhythm. Inside, right in position, and post the word for a minute. Two are in collision. We were made for you. Another guy looking for the perfect lover, the kind of love you only see in a novel. I wasn't waiting for some shiny unicorn out of thin air, around and then you don't. But all of a sudden you're the hero of my story. I celebrate the love you know, let's do me glory. I still remember the way this whole thing started. I was walking down the city, feeling down and broken hearted. But then I guess all roads lead to Rome. A full-front collision on my way home. I cut a corner, down we hit and crash. The crash has been the first and hasn't been the last, 'cause it's a different kind of love from any other old school dating is the boat. We are explorers, it's a different kind of love. And everyone is looking like we're crazy people just escaping from gloomy. Sometimes I feel that you are from another planet. Tell me, baby, misunderstood. And I believed you so many times. Every time you made this pretty face and then just set me up like a champion. They could be better than Mary Street, and I see those eyes. Oh, this time never coming back, baby. Oh, this time I'm gonna live on every jet, girl. On you, like surfing the lights. And I know she gets you so high. Every time you made this pretty face and then just set me up just like a champion. Take a weed better than Mary Street, but not see those eyes. This time I'll never come back, baby. This time I'm gonna live on every jet, girl. This time I'm never coming back, baby. This time I'm gonna live on every jet, baby. Oh, so goodbye, so goodbye, so goodbye, so goodbye. Oh, baby, so goodbye, so goodbye, so goodbye. Oh, my baby. Oh, no, 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 oh, 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 no. No, 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 no. I'm not gonna lose. I'm gonna try to be time to put in words how the colors are blooming, to try to count how fast my heart is booming. And it's hard to describe this fever I feel. In front of me a bunch of people are screaming. I just ignore and then go on with the dream. So that's the world after you. You ran down on my life. You crushed my body like a drunken mariachi. I had the piano and your mighty Liberace. So that's the world after you. You raised right in my life. You smashed my words like a poem rolling. Every day your incantation is growing. Oh no, oh no, oh yeah. Oh no, oh no, no, no. And I get confused when I get lost in your eyes. I try to write and my brain keep on freezing. Can't see no point in resisting your teasing. And this ain't right. I'm just a disaster waiting to happen. Can't tell the red from the green into traffic. The risk of being run over is massive. It's after you. You ran down in my life. You crushed my body like a drunken mariachi. I am the piano and your mighty Liberace. So that's the word after you. You ran down in my life. You smashed my worries like a poem rolling. And every day your incantation is growing. Oh no, oh no, oh yeah. You ran down in my life. You crushed my body like a drunken mariachi. I am the piano and your mighty Liberace. So that's the word after you. That's the word after you. No, 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 no. 'Cause that's the word after you. 'Cause that's the word after you. I'm just a disaster waiting to happen. That's the word after you. Waiting for a chance to be alone with you. Pushing people out until we're finally on our own. Baby, I know what you're gonna say. 'Cause lately it's been a mess and we should take it really slow. Give me one night, give me one night, give me one night to blow the pain away, pain away, pain away. All I'm asking, baby, is give me gonna keep on moving on. We ain't gonna stop. We'll build things into the zone. Man, around the clock, gonna keep on moving on. We ain't gonna stop. We'll build things into the zone. Around the clock. You know some souls are broken, some things should stay unspoken. I didn't know I was looking until I found you, girl. 'Cause I almost gave up on hoping this cold heart could go back to walking. Yeah, all these years I've been sleepwalking until you woke me. But I don't know if I should tell you more. I just know that I will be around until you find somebody else around. Felt love was dead, but I don't know anymore. Yeah, I don't know anymore. And I know we must tread this lightly. These things are built on frailty. So I just enjoy you smiling and hush my words. But in case this past is unbroken, I will keep my eyes wide open. And I will take nothing for granted until you wake me. But I don't know if I should tell you more. I just know that I will be around until you find somebody else around. For love was dead, but I don't know anymore. Yeah, I don't know anymore. And we can hang around until we find somebody else around. Life was a fight, now I don't cry anymore. No, I don't cry anymore. No, I don't cry. I don't cry anymore. No, I don't cry anymore. No, I don't cry anymore. Some things should stay unspoken. I didn't know I was looking until I found you, girl. 'Cause I almost gave up on hoping this cold heart could go back to walking. Yeah, all these years I've been sleepwalking until you woke me. But I don't know if I should tell you more. I just know that I will be around until you find somebody else around. Felt love was dead, but I don't know anymore. Yeah, I don't know anymore. And I know we must tread this lightly. These things are built on frailty. So I just enjoy you smiling and hush my words. But in case the spell stays unbroken, I will keep my eyes wide open, and I will take nothing for granted until you wake me. But I don't know if I should tell you more. I just know that I will be around until you find somebody else. Around for love was dead, but I don't know anymore. Yeah, I don't know anymore. And we can hang around, until we find somebody else. Around, life was a fight. Now I don't cry anymore. No, I don't cry anymore. No, I don't cry. I don't cry anymore. No, I don't cry anymore. No, I don't cry. Saturday morning, it sounds like spring. The birds are chirping, and somewhere we have wings. We shake off the dust and go for a ride. We're losing some rest and rise from the night. Cause if you need some time to chill, I've got exactly what you need. The pure engine of your desires. I sip like seed and let it dry. Jump on my vespa, follow the rise and chasing the clouds like in a western. Two bandits on the run. Jump on my vespa, everything's still looking for me. Goodbye to pressure, just riding in the sun. Buildings and trees flowing beside. We look like canvases painted in bright light. We're gonna ride for summer and spring. We'll be rebel angels, and this time